Wow. Ooh, alright. I'm feeling better already.
Blow it out. Let me hear it. There you go. Got it. Did you hear all those?
Yeah.
Big one. Got it. So we have Earl here today. Earl, love the shirt.
Thank you.
So how do you feel today?
I woke up this morning and honestly I feel like I got hit by a truck this morning.
Oh, wow. So what do you feel the most?
My neck, my lower neck especially, and inside of my shoulder cuff all the way down to my lower back. It hurts.
Okay.
Like if any rash movements, it's like a sharp pain.
All right. So turn your head all the way this way. Do you feel anything that direction?
Yeah, there's like a pain that's coming if I turn any more than.
Can you stick your pointed?
It's
point
like in
your
the
finger?
base of my neck.
All right. So turn this way. And so in here.
Yes.
Right in there. Okay.
Yeah.
So I know what to do. So you're going to start on your back, and you're going to be face up. You're going to lay on the table like this.
Okay.
And lie on your back. Okay? Good. Thank you. So first you're going to just lie back down. I'm going to start to look around in here. And your shoulder hurts too, right?
Yeah.
Now, so my thumb is right on a nerve right here.
Yeah, it
So
hurts.
you have a pinched nerve there.
Okay.
So when I say pinched nerve, if you talk to a medical doctor, they're going to go, what does that mean, a pinched nerve? Like, pinched nerve is more of a colloquial statement. It's slang. It's the way we talk in everyday life. So is the nerve pinched between two bones? No, but the pressure is there. It's irritating the nerve. It's compromising the nerve. It's what we all think of as a pinched nerve, but there's a whole mechanism that's involved in what we call a pinched nerve that is expressing itself in such a way that we feel like it's pinched. There is inflammation, there's tissue inflammation, there's soft tissue ligament. The bones shift a millimeter, they don't go really far out, but that's enough to make us have pain, and it becomes chronic and relentless. And this has been bad for a while, right?
It has been.
How much does that hurt on a scale of 1 to 10 when I'm sticking my thumb into it?
10, like I want to move,
Yeah.
I want to run.
Yeah. So how about when you bring your arm up? Does that hurt your shoulder?
Yeah, a little bit. It hurts like at the top.
At the top. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's do this. Like in there?
Yeah. Like if you move your thumb back just a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, so right now I'm at the AC joint. And the AC joint's not gliding nicely, so I am going to adjust that first. And it's funny because I just adjusted your friend this way.
Yeah.
Scoot down this way, but what the hell, you have it too, so let's do both. Meaning, your friends, and now we have to do yours this way. But that's your bad side, right?
Yes, this is my bad.
Bad neck, bad shoulder. We're going to also probably find something in his occiput too, so we'll do that too. So let's get in. Big breath in and blow it out. That was a loud one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it feels oddly satisfying. It's like a weird pain relief. It hurts for like a millisecond though.
Yeah. Now test your shoulder.
It feels a lot freer than the left side.
Good, good. There's more. We still get that neck, okay?
Oh yeah.
So now you're going to sit up with your back to me, and you're going to put your butt right here on the edge here. And I'm going to stand behind you. I'm going to turn your head all the way this way. Ooh, yeah, that's right. Do you feel that spot right there? Good. Let this come down.
Wow. Ooh, alright. I'm feeling better already.
All right, so lie on your back.
Oh man.
That was a fast one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was unexpected.
How big was that pop?
I can feel it like stretching to like my mid back already. Is like I feel like my body's just releasing itself.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a Y strap on you next. Okay?
Okay.
You can do it. Come on. Scoot down. And this will open up even more. And then I still have to get your T1 vertebra. There's a couple of pieces. Oh, sorry, that's the Velcro.
It's all right.
There's a couple of pieces that are affecting that whole chain down your right side of your neck. So this is one of the pieces. Drop your head.
Belly back.
Yeah. Deep breath in. And blow it out. Now we're going to do one. Big breath in. Blow it out.
Doc, something doesn't feel right though.
It feels locked at the bottom?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to have to release that. So you're going to lie on your side this way facing me.
1 sec.
Did it feel like it stiffened up on you?
Yeah.
All right. So we can get that, don't worry. What happens sometimes is the lumbars, the muscles get tight and
Hold on, you gotta slow down.
and they grab.
Alright.
So bring this knee up
That's.
and scoot your hips over. And I'm going to let you rest once we get you in the spot, okay?
Alright.
Take a breath
Yeah.
and take another breath. And you let me know when you want to start.
Yeah, I'm good to go when you are.
Okay? Are you?
Yep.
Okay. So this is why your lower back knotted up on you.
Okay.
And we're going to release that now. Big breath in and blow it out. Blow it out. Let me hear it. There you go. Got it. Did you hear all those?
Yeah.
Did that feel better?
I feel great.
Good.
Feel like I could run the marathon
Now
now.
those you heard.
Yeah, that one feels great.
So you have a lot of tightness in your lower back.
What can that be caused from?
Well, probably bad posture,
No, that's
being on the
different.
computer all the time. Here's a big one. Ready? Big breath in and blow it out. Blow it out. Just a little one. I thought it was going to be big, but it wasn't.
And the other side was great.
Yeah. So lie face down now, okay?
Alright.
How you doing though? You happy again?
Yeah, I feel it's not hurting anymore. I feel great.
Good. I'm going to lift this up, okay?
Okay.
Come in real close. Let's see if we can get this skin pull. Okay. I could hear those pretty good. Did you do you feel those pop?
It's like very faint, but I can
Yeah.
feel like my lower back relieving itself.
I think the microphone will pick that up nicely too. So now I'm going to check the leg. I'm going to do a prone leg pull. Good. Now I'm going to work into the back with my elbow a little bit. Right in there. Do you feel that one?
Yeah, this feels good.
And that one?
Yeah.
And it shows you have a lot of knots.
Ooh, that one cracked.
Yeah, cracked again.
Oh.
More, right?
Mm-hmm. My back is just.
Yeah, it keeps cracking. Keeps cracking. Right there, do you feel that one?
Ooh. Right inside that rotator cuff. Feel great.
That's my knee on your back, okay?
Okay.
Does that feel good?
Yeah.
There's my knee on the other side, okay?
Alright.
My whole body weight's on you.
It feels great.
All right. Big one. Whew. Lie on your back.
Oh man. I might gotta come see you more.
These are pretty good. All right. So I'm going to have you come stand up back in the corner with me over here, okay? Come stand over here. How do you feel now?
I feel relieved.
Okay.
I feel less tight. My body doesn't. It feels. I
Yeah.
feel more loose. I feel I could like jump around and I won't feel any pain in my back or anything.
So turn your head now. Remember when you turned, it was pinching?
Yeah, I could turn it a lot more. It's actually pretty great.
Lie on your back one more time because I want to see if there's more on that lower neck, okay? There might be one left in here. That's where we originally started. You guys remember this? Good. So I'm going to come in. It's really hard to get that.
Like it moved.
It moved. It's a little higher now?
Yeah.
All right. Got it. So you still had that pinch in there. Don't test it in that direction. Stand up to test it, okay? Because I don't want you to jerk your neck. Give it a second. Give it a second, because that was intense.
Yeah, feels good.
You pointed the last spot out, like you went up and showed it to me.
Yeah, like when you laid me back down and you turned my neck, like I don't know if there's an air pocket or whatever, like it moved. I can like actually feel it move.
Yeah, it moved, and we call that chasing it sometimes. So you might start here and you release something, and then you find it's a little higher or a little lower. So we have to go find it next. So remember in the beginning we just simply had you turn your head.
Yeah.
First of all, it comes a lot further.
It's a lot freer too.
Not so much pain, right?
Yeah, it's a lot freer.
Touch your toes.
Oh, I couldn't do that before.
Oh yeah. You see it?
You should have seen the before of this.
Yeah, you weren't good. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. Just a little one.